Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling irie. I hope you're looking good because we got another jam-packed pick a card for you. Today we are looking into your ex and we are looking at what your ex wants to say to you right now. Okay, but you're giving it the bombastic side eye. Okay, so if you haven't already, come and join the Love and Light family at Wagwan Tara and Tea. Okay, at Wagwan Tara and Tea, okay, we love to give you uplifting messages and self-love messages into the read. Okay, we like to keep it real. Okay, not gonna give you fluff, fluff, fluff. No, no, no. We like to give you a balance in the reads. Okay, so click on that notification bell and get in. All right. Okay, so we have three piles: pile one, pile two, pile three. Okay, so go to the number that's calling you. Okay, and have you got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice? Well, get that too. Okay, I'm drinking water. What are you sipping on today? Put it in the comments, okay? And let us know where you are watching, okay, around the world, okay? Brilliant. Love to hear from all of your lovely messages and engage with you all. So, come on, put a little comment down below. So, as we said, we've got three piles and we're going to look into what your ex wants to say, but you're giving it the bombastic side eye. Okay, so before we begin, we like to bring in good energy, good energy, so that we're just bringing that vibrational energy into the reads. So let's get into it. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we got pile one, pile two, pile three. So go to that number that's calling you, and I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking into pile one. We're going to see what messages, okay, your ex wants to tell you right now or say to you right now, okay, but you're giving it the bombastic sad So let's look into the cards and see Wagwan. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Sit back and relax with a nice cup of tea. Yes, because the tea is piping hot today. All right, let's see. Wagwan. Okay. So we have the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands. So what they want to tell you right now. So with the Queen of Wands, I feel like they want to say right now that Jane, you're hot. I want you back. And I feel like with this fire energy of the staff here, they're really thinking about all those memories of the hot, the hot and sweaty nights that they had. And I feel like they ain't had nothing. They ain't had nothing has nothing compares. I feel like this is the energy I'm getting. Nothing compares to you, and I feel like they keep reminiscing and focusing on you. But I feel like again, it's still talking about maybe, or they're thinking about those past memories of when you were together and those romantic, fiery, passionate. And I feel like you're giving there's this energy of yeah, we've been here before, because I feel like this energy again, it's not coming with a it doesn't feel like a genuine love offer. It feels like, can we still be, tell me again, ooh, tell me again, my baby, be lovers and friends. That's the song that just came out. I feel like I'm getting like a friends lover benefit. I feel like they're even kind of having it in their head, even if it means that you know, until you find somebody better, and if you still want to have them in some shape or form. And I feel again, it's about, you know, always trusting your intuition, using your discernment. Okay, so we're gonna pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to come out. Let's see which one wants to come out regarding. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. They wanted to come out. Right. Let's read them both. So the finger never say look here. The finger say look yonder. So this simply means not to look at the smaller picture, but look at the bigger picture. The intuitive gems coming out. So I feel like this is kind of really telling about, you know, this ex that is coming forward or wanting to show interest. And I feel like this is also telepathically, you know, you may have also sometimes like you're just thinking, just doing your own thing, and all of a sudden it's like, why am I thinking about this person? Why is this person come to mind? It's because they're thinking about you. And I feel like this person may be trying to like manifest you in many ways. Perhaps, you know, pleasure in their own selves in their own time, thinking about you, eating the type of foods that you may have liked or you've cooked or things like that, haven't really showing a keen interest. Okay, you may have even had a message or a message of them saying, oh, I remember these times when we used to do these things. I'm also going to get in maybe when you used to wear a particular item or something like that. Okay, but back to the Jamaican proverb, look at your faults. Okay, reflect on yourself before criticizing others. But I feel like this Jamaican proverb is again, you know, that where that side eye, that bombastic side eye that you're giving this ex, is that they're, you know, if they do come towards you and you hear messages from or receive messages from them, I feel like they're gonna want to stay in this, in that queen of energy, where or help or try to get you in this energy of the the queen of wands energy, which is kind of that passionate energy, but also kind of I'm getting this energy of like to try and get you in this carefree, where you can see maybe some kind of incentive of taking on the offer that they want to give you, even if this offer is not packaged in anything that you particularly like. But I feel like it's not, the way they may want to come across and come towards you is kind of wrapped in a package that it's like a temporary solution, where it's like a win-win. This is how I'm kind of seeing it as like they're going to try and come to you in some shape or form, or telepathically want to think of you in that particular way. Or you may find that even if you are like I don't know, you're feeling a bit hard and bothered, that they may pop in your mind and you're thinking, no, no, why are they coming to mind? But I feel like it's that energy that they're trying to bring you in. Okay, so we have nanny goat never scratch him back till him see wall. The nanny goat never scratch him back till him see wall. And this simply means, and this is this is giving me that energy again. This X is again, you know, I feel like it's kind of also trying to come at you with a strategy, come at you at a plan. Now, I feel like this could also be you who's embodying the energy of the Queen of Wands, but I feel like this ex could also be embodying this energy as well, and is trying to take on that energy of the Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Wands is very much this kind of energy of like, I don't give her, I don't give her, I don't get, I'm gonna do what I want to do, I'm gonna be what I want to be, okay. And I feel like this is the energy that this ex is trying to take on with this Jamaican proverb, which simply means trying to be very analytical, trying to look at it from all arenas, like north, east, south, west. This is what I'm kind of trying to get I'm getting from this ex is that they're trying to see that, okay, if I can't have you in this situation, and okay, your boundaries are up against me in having a proper relationship, well, how about a sexual relationship? How, we had good moments together, or we had, you know even if, oh, it's not, if it's not even just this, like a physical encounter or anything like that, perhaps going on dates. And I feel like that could be their way of trying to you know see you in a way of how they're going to try and break those walls down. Okay. All right, so let's now look into you. We're going to look into you with the good karma. Let's have a look and see what are your current feelings regarding this ex. So, for the collective, you chose pile one regarding this ex that wants to return, but you're giving it the bombastic side eye. The bombastic side eye, child. Yes, child. We're giving it the side eye. You better call Tyrone. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's see. What's your current feelings? Oh, your current your current feelings is you're about peace. You're about tranquility. You are about really focusing on this energy of just your inner peace and being in your inner peace with, like, getting that energy within. Okay. And I feel like there's also like a spiritual connection here, and I feel like you may be also seeing it as a test, and maybe this might apply to some of you who's going through a period of celibacy. Okay, I feel the need to say that. And it could also be a test where you're just like, you know what, I just really want to focus on myself right now, and focus on bringing the type of love that and respect that I deserve. And I feel like, this could also be someone who has tried to do this more than once, and I'm getting this energy of like, yeah, I'm about my business. I'm about focusing on myself right now, because that's what's important. But I feel like this person really wants to pull you in, and I feel like it's going to be a case of resilience, and it's going to be a case of really trusting your intuition and trusting your discernment. Okay, with with this person. Okay, let's have a look and see what's at the front of the deck and the back. So look, the Empress. So with the Empress being here, I feel like it's also, very telling that in this situation, you know, be mindful that you could be also very fertile at this time. Um, so again, trust your intuition, use your discernment. At the back, we've got the Queen of Cups. So with the Queen of Cups and the Empress being here, I feel like it's, there's a lot of nurturing, maternal, caring energy, and I feel like this person may have played heavily on these energies. I feel like they have played on these energies to try and lure you back in. And I feel like with the Temperance being here, it's going to be also that test of strength, that test of resilience, to say, you know what, I deserve more. I deserve more. Now I feel drawn to pull from the middle. Okay, so let's have a look and see what the middle wants to tell us. Let's have a look and see what the middle wants to tell us. Look at that, the Magician. So I feel like the Magician is like saying, be here to remind you to get clear, be clear with what it is that you want, because this person, this ex, will try to pull you back north, west, east, south. They are trying to be very analytical, and I feel like they're also trying to be very observant. Like, this person may be very observant and may listen carefully to what you say to see if they can find any loopholes to kind of create or make circles. Okay. And I feel like it's also just being very mindful of that. And again, it's always about trusting your intuition and using your discernment every time. Okay, so let's pull out a keyword. Let's see what kind of keyword is relating to this X. that you're giving the bombastic side eye. Let's have a look at the keyword. What keyword wants to come out? Look at this. Stress, journey, stress, journey. And look at the temperance being here. Look at that. Like, I feel like with the stress, I feel like this could be someone that did give a lot of kind of like, I'm kind of getting like a headache of back and forth, not knowing what they really want, not really being clear as well. And I feel like that could have been something in the past that I feel like with this person, it may have made you now feel like you're going on your own spiritual journey, you know, reconnecting with your own, your divine feminine and your divine masculine energy, and being in balance and recognizing that, you know, you need to be taking that time to focus on what you want. Look what's behind this as well. So you can get the King of Pentacles, someone who's, really takes that time to go and focus on themselves, focus on their money. Yeah, not be caught up in this energy no more of the Nine of Swords. You can see that of the Nine of Swords, of just being stuck in this anxious feeling. Okay. All right. So last but not least, we're going to leave this one. We're going to leave you with one message from the oracle. Let's have one message from the oracle. And this is the surrender oracle to the light. So what message do you need to hear? So the collective who chose pile 1, what message do you need to hear right now? Ooh, okay. So we have, look at this, look at this, look at this. Surrender unhealthy relationships. Let go of relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by positive people. You hear that? Always trust your intuition and use your discernment. And you know, this is also a very telling sign. We've seen the Empress being here, and I feel like that could also be, you know, perhaps perhaps it could also be a way that this person is trying to see if they can kind of position you in some way where they can always have you for life, whether it could be you're like a parent with their child, or some kind of, I'm kind of get, that's what I'm also getting this energy with, like there's a strong energy of fertility at this time. Okay. And as well as surrender to complete healing, open fully to the loving, compassionate forces. Look at the energy here of the Temperance. Open fully to the loving, compassionate forces of the universe that supports your physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. Intuitive gems. And I feel like this is why, look at that, stress and journey came out, because you're on this journey right now of healing, working on yourself, loving on yourself. And we embrace all of these good energy. In Jamaican culture, when something is good, when something is sweet, we emphasize the good. You have to emphasize it twice, because it's about embracing that good energy. Okay. So I hope these messages are resonating. Look after yourself and embrace these good, vibrant energy. Okay. But be sure to look good, feel good, and stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan T-Zippers, Wagwan Magenta Rose. So we have pile 2. So we're going to have a look and see what messages want to come out from pile 2 regarding this X that you're giving this bombastic side eye. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot. Come and join the Love and Light family. Sit back and relax as we gather these intuitive gems. Alright, let's see Wagwan. Okay. Woo! The High Priestess. So I feel like this ex really sees you as somebody who is very. The song that's coming to mind is "Who's That Lady?" I feel like they are stuck on this energy of mesmerizing, just constantly mesmerizing your energy. And I feel like the way you move, the way you groove, it came across very mysterious. And I feel like they really admired that. It's very alluring to them, it's very attractive to them. I'm getting the energy is very sexy to them. They are drawn to that energy. But I feel like there is also that kind of side where I feel like they kind of, as much as they got to know you, I feel like there is an energy of where maybe there were still things that they felt like was left hidden. But I feel like this could also be your energy, that you felt the same as well about this person. Again, trust your intuition, and you always trust your, use your discernment. But I feel like this person is going to try to, you know come come towards you in a way where it can come across very mysterious. It can be telepathically as well, where you could be just focusing on doing your own thing and this person just comes and pops into your mind. I feel like this person, again, when they're on their own, and maybe I feel like they could also be trying to seek pleasure in thinking of you. um Yeah, that's what the kind of energy I'm getting right here. Okay, but I feel like this person is really drawn to you. But I feel like also with the High Priestess, for some of you, this person may have been really trying to manifest you in, maybe using journaling. I feel like this person could have also looked to look to see how they could telepathically connect with you and maybe trying to manifest a phone call with you. This is kind of energy I'm getting with this person, okay? But I feel like with the High Priestess being here, I feel like this is also a reminder to really trust your intuition with this person, okay? That you're giving this bombastic side eye that may come to you, that may have messaged, or it wishes to communicate with you. But I feel like it's a reminder to say, really trust your intuition, okay? And that they were an ex for a reason, okay? All right, so let's pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come out. We have a Jamaican proverb, please, for the collective. Ooh, we're having quite a few wanting to come out. All right, we're gonna go through them. We have 3. Okay, so we have the alligator lay egg, but him no foul. The alligator lay egg, but him no foul. This simply means an alligator can lay an egg, but it's not a fowl. It's not a bird. It's not poultry. So, when we think of birds, birds lay eggs, but also there's lizards. So it's that kind of like, it's kind of focused on the idea of something can look completely different but also have similar traits. Okay, so don't view things from one perspective. Think outside of the box, reflect, be open. And I feel like with this person, this ex, okay, I feel like that there has to be a think outside of the box. And I feel like it's kind of the energy of think like the High Priestess. And the High Priestess is like that knowledgeable one that goes back to intuition, taking time to sit and really ask yourself questions, and questions that really kind of say, what is it that I really need to know right now that I may have been avoiding? These kind of questions. And I feel like this is what the High Priestess wants you to do right now, okay? No, but look at this. There's a lot of intuitive messages in these proverbs. No buy puss in a bag. No buy puss in a bag. This simply means don't buy a cat. Don't buy a pussy cat in a bag. So if someone's trying to give you an offer or a deal, it's kind of, checking that something, sometimes something could be too good to be true. Okay. So yes, sometimes something can be too good to be true. Look at this. Now we have every best friend has a best friend. Every best friend has a best friend. Now I feel like this could also be because this is basically that, you can have a friend, but that friend can also be friends with somebody else. But I feel like this one could also be that perhaps there could be a cheating element in this scenario. So it's saying be mindful that friendships, discussions with others, and I feel like this person may be having discussions. They may be trying to find ways of how they could go fire a friend and try to see if maybe a friend, if they can go through a friend, and that maybe that friend will then pass messages on to you and then relay those messages you received from you back to them. So I feel like this could be something that they may be trying to do as well, or trying to check through a friend, or if they've um happened to meet a friend, try to say, oh, how is Jane doing, what's Jane going on, trying to see if they can peep any clues from this friend. Okay, so I feel like this person is also trying to intuitively trying to draw you in as well. Okay, all right, so let's have a look at a keyword that wants to come out. Let's see what keyword wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 2 regarding this X that you are giving the side eye, the bombastic side eye. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have quite a few that popped out. We have double standards. There's a double standard here. Now I feel like this again, I feel like this could be something to do with perhaps the reason you they are your ex, and I'm getting this energy that they may be trying to just come across like everything is hunky dory, like I'm getting an energy of a lack of accountability being here. Calendar, something to do with a calendar. It could be maybe trying to work out, look at, see if there's any particular dates. A birthday may be important at this time. Help. Open. So we got open twice. So I feel like this could be a really strong energy of, again, of them really trying to find ways of how they can come to you. Thing and think. Okay, so again, a lot of intuitive energy, like you're using that time and again, it's like to view things outside of the out of the box. Okay, let's pull out a message from the good karma just to see your current feelings regarding this person, this ex. So can we have a card please to regarding the current feelings for the collective please regarding this ex. I feel drawn to pull from the middle, but if they comes, oh, it already came out, the 5 of Cups. So current feelings. So I feel like this energy was, this person kind of may have made you feel in this energy where I'm getting a lot of play energy, and pulling on strings, pulling on heartstrings, and there's something to do with a calendar. Now I feel like that could be perhaps it could be an anniversary of a breakup and this person wishes to return, but there is a heavy energy about think and double standard and open and a thing. There is something that went on. So let's have a look again and see what was the thing. Why is thing here? Why is the word thing here? Why is the word thing here? Why is the word thing here? Okay, so it's the Three of Swords. My finger, this is my like intuitive finger, I like to call it. When it wants to flick, we'll have a look. So I feel like with the Nine of Cups being here, this person, this particular ex, may have resulted with, we got the 5, the 3 of Swords, and the Nine of Cups in reverse, may have left in a position where it really did make you really have to take some time to go and work on yourself and heal. And I feel like it was a very unbalanced relationship, particularly with the Nine of Cups being here. And I feel like this is where this reminder of this double standard is coming back, and these two messages of open as well and help, because I feel like this person may have had a energy of, I'm getting an energy of manipulation, an energy of trying to find ways to lure you in, draw you in. But I feel like, you know, this reminder, the energy as well from the High Priestess is really to be taking that time to focus on you. So we are going to pull out these surrender cards and see what energy wants to come out, what cards wants to come out regarding this energy that we're seeing here. So can we have some messages, please, for the collective who chose pile 2? What do they need to know? Well, you're already giving the bombastic side eye. If you're watching this, there's a bombastic side eye for a reason. Okay. Surrender your attachment to results. So the formula for success is to do all you can do to make things, look at that, look at that, to make things happen. Then let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to a desired outcome can sabotage it. Now I feel like, you know, this could be also your energy of really wanting to be in a loving, supportive, nourishing type of relationship. And I feel like this relationship, I feel like there was a lot of giving and not giving, a lot of giving, but not really a lot of appreciation. And I feel like as well with the Nine of Cups being here in reverse, it wasn't a relationship where it was a supportive one. And I feel like this could have really had at times created a lot of stress on you and feeling like you was in this relationship on your own. But I feel like with double standard being here, we're gonna just, let's have a look and see what wants to come out for double standard. Why is double standard here? Why is double standard here? Why is double standard here? Ooh, look at that. That wanted to pop out, didn't it? Eight of coins. The eight of pentacles. Okay, it's all the 8 of coins. Now it's come out in reverse. Okay, but I feel like this person wasn't doing the work. They wasn't, and I feel like it was a lot of promises, a lot of false promises, saying they're gonna change, saying they're gonna do better. But I feel like overall it was wearing and tearing on your own energy, your energy to manifest, your energy to grow. And I feel like it could have been impacting on your money. And I feel like this person could have for some of you may have lived with you, or I feel like this person could have been heavily reliant on your resources. Heavily reliant. Now this all may apply for some of you, but I feel like this person could have been heavily reliant on your resources or your time and your energy. But I feel like when it was your time, when you needed that, that support, regardless of what it was, but needing, or even just a shoulder to lean on, or to just talk about things in the day, I feel like this person took you for granted. And I really get this energy. And so I'm just going to give you, sending you this love energy to all of the piles, pile 1, pile 2. We haven't gone through pile 3 yet, so we don't know what's going on there, but just we're going to send that good energy to you all. and just know that you deserve better, and you deserve better, and just tell yourself that you deserve better, and always trust your intuition and use your discernment. Okay, so on that note, we're going to leave it with a nice message that you just something nice that you need to know. So let's have a look at these traveling images. We're going to pull out these traveling images for the collective who chose party. Can we have an image, an intuitive image that can pop out, please, as a something positive and uplifting for the collective who chose party? Ooh, ooh, wee. I feel like this message is, when you may have felt times where you wasn't always supported. I feel like this message is now saying this is your time to reclaim back that energy. Shine, go out there, get yourself a nice outfit, go and go and look good, honey, go and feel good. Yes, darling, yes, honey, go out there and be as vibrant as you want to be. And I feel like this is also a reminder that you don't need to dim your light to make others shine. Do you hear that? You do not need to dim your light to make others shine. This is your reminder to go out there. And I feel like there's also a potential new love that you may come across, okay, when you are ready, of course, when you are ready. But I feel like there could be also someone new and better, okay, new and better waiting for you when you are ready, of course, okay. All right. So, to the collective who chose Pal 2, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do? Take what resonates and leave the rest. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wow, one. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 3. We're gonna look and see what messages wants to come out for pile 3. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and Tea. Sit back and relax as we gather these intuitive gems. Yes, honey. Let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. Okay. So we have the moon. So I feel like this person, this ex, since you've been gone, since you are not in their current energy right now, I feel like this person is full of worry, full of regret, and I'm also getting full of shame as well. I feel like there's a feeling of shame that they wish they could have done better. They wish they could have they wish they could have really taken that time to invest more in the union that you both have. Now we're going to go and have a quick look now and see if they have true intentions around this. Okay, just a quick look. Let's see what this person, are their intentions genuine? No. So we have the devil. So I feel like this person with the devil, there could be some toxic energy with this person, and it could also be this energy of they're having these feelings of worry, but I feel like it could have also been a feeling of, if you see this figure here, is they no longer have that control over you. And I feel like perhaps in the past they liked it when they were they liked having a particular control, whether it could be some form of manipulation, because I feel like with the devil being here, there's some kind of form of toxic environment. Perhaps there would have been a lot of arguments, a lot of trying to control and things like that. Really just kind of, I'm getting like an unhealthy energy right here, and I'm feeling like with the bombastic side eye, that this energy is that they may feel like this right now, but their intentions with the devil is not of a genuine energy. But we've got the Hierophant here at the front, and the Justice. So I feel like the Hierophant and the Justice, I feel like the Hierophant being here is, oh, I feel like one's wanting to pop out. Let's have a look. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, look at this, the Nine of Cups. So I feel like if you're watching this, the Hierophant is here, okay? I feel like the Hierophant is here to remind you, like, this is a lesson. If you're watching this, okay, this is a lesson. This is like a lesson to trust your intuition and use your discernment, because the Hierophant represents that energy of lessons, guidance, a teacher, okay? And I feel like this is kind of the energy that it wants you to kind of see, like, look, if there was some things that was going on here that really wasn't to help, that wasn't aligned with your true energy, with your true spirit, with your own higher self, your divine feminine energy, your divine masculine energy, if there wasn't in sync, okay, and then there was an imbalance here. There was an imbalance with this energy, and I feel like it was wearing and tearing you. And look what's behind the Hierophant. It was an energy of feeling like you always had to defend yourself with this person, and I feel like it was also impacting on this energy, your confidence, your sense of your self-worth. And I feel like the message here is to remind you of you loving on you and knowing that you deserve more. Yes, honey, you deserve more. Let's put this here so you can see. But yes, you deserve more. So we're going to just pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to come out. Let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come out. Okay, something's trying to pop out. Ooh, again, we had three. Pile 2 had 3. Now we have 3 again for pile 3. So we have invest for the future. Invest for the future. Invest for the future. Okay. So if you save money, money will save you. Sorry. This is the Jamaican proverb. If you save money, money will save you. So invest in your future, and I feel like that's also like investing in your own future, taking that time. And I feel like there could have been an energy of you doing a lot for this person, and I feel like this could be what this person is missing. They no longer have that, where there was somebody that was always giving, always doing, and now they're realizing, oh my gosh, this person's not here. What am I gonna do? Jane's gone. How am I gonna do this? And I'm getting energy of like, how am I gonna cook? How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do that? Oh, I ain't got this person to call anymore to help me to do these things. And I feel like now this person is really realizing that you was a gem all along, and may have treated you as if you wasn't. But I feel like now I'm getting like the joke is on them now. Now they're realizing it, and now the message that's coming to me is again a reference from Color Purple. Where Celie, the character in Color Purple, she says, everything you did to me is gonna, everything you did to me, you already did to yourself. And it's again that energy that, you know, whatever you put out there, you're only gonna manifest it for yourself. And I feel like this person is now realizing that you never see smoke. So you never see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire. And this simply means, you know, actions can trigger problems. Look at this. With the moon card being here. Problems can be deep rooted, feelings ignited. So I feel like this could also be that there is some deep rooted problems with this person. Perhaps I feel like this person may have some kind of codependent energies that and may have tried to kind of lure you into this energy. And I'm getting feeling drawn to pull from the middle again. Well, look at that. Back to the Nine of Cups. But I feel like, yes, I feel like it created some energy here with the Lovers and the Judgment, that it was not making, it was kind of creating an imbalance in this union. Then we have Peacock hiding foot, but hiding foot when him hear about him tail. Peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. This simply means a peacock, the magnificent, beautiful, and abundant bird, the peacock, will hide its feet when it hears any talk about its tail. Again, this is about being too proud, stops you from growing. Don't stop yourself from learning. Pride. And I feel like this is what has happened to this person here, this ex, that where this bombastic side eye is being shown, because I feel like this person as well with the devil could have also been, pride. Too much pride can also create this energy where it holds us back, because it stops us from learning, it stops us from growing, so it then becomes a hindrance. It anger, resentment can all be wrapped up in all of these things that really holds us back. And I feel like this is what's going on here. Okay, so let's have a look now at with these surrender cards. Let's see what wants to come out regarding this person and what's going on for the collective who chose pile 3. Ooh, surrender to trust. Surrender to trust. Oy, 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 oy. Trust yourself and your decisions. Don't be swayed by other people's strong opinions about what to do. Look at this. Oy, 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 oy. Look at the energy that we had here and the moon. Maybe trying to sway your thinking, sway your mindset. This is like, no, 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 no. This is about you trusting your intuition and using your discernment every time. Take action and be confident that you have chosen the right path. So I feel like this is a reminder that, and perhaps you may have also relied on the support of your friends. I feel like people that you can trust, and it has helped you to grow. It's helped you to flourish. But I feel like this energy here was, there was definitely something that wasn't in alignment with you. Just feel drawn to pull out one more. Ooh, okay, let's see. Yes, look at this. So perhaps I feel like this could be, for some of you, this may apply, that with the Hierophant being there here as well, there could have also been I feel like there could have been some things, perhaps you wanted to do things, a career, or make a new start on something, and I feel like with the Hierophant being here, perhaps there could have been like a new career path. It could also maybe be a spiritual path, a spiritual awakening for you, wanting to learn something new. But it says here, your life's journey has been perfectly designed for your soul's growth. So embrace every lesson. Look at this. We said earlier about lessons. Every lesson and every moment. So I feel like there is a strong energy here. Look at the bridge and everything. Everything is evergreen. That, there may have been times where you're thinking, oh my gosh, like, I don't know if this is right for me. But I feel like now it's like saying that, yeah, you're on a better, bigger and better. You're on bigger and better. You're on bigger and better. You are bigger and better. Woy yoy. So let's pull out some keywords now. Let's see what keywords wants to come out regarding this ex that wants to connect, what they want to say to you, but you're giving them this bombastic side eye, as you should. All right, let's see what wants to come out. Okay, so we have season. It's, I feel like that's a cycle, message. Yeah, you're really your communication. So they may have tried to perhaps message, communicate, but I feel like this is also the lessons that you are gathering from this read. This could be also something that you've been thinking about. Look at this time, opportunity. You're seeing new opportunities arise for you, and I feel like you are taking that time to embrace new opportunities as well coming your way as well. Okay, we have shadow, we have diverse, we have trust, we have date, present, decorum, delight, body. So I feel like there is a lot of energy of here about you really connecting with yourself, connecting with source, you know, perhaps even showing gratitude, being thankful for what's around you, and really recognizing that, you know, maybe you had to take some time to work on your own shadow. And and shadow is like basically taking the time to work on the things that may have been very toxic in your life, so that you can then bring in more love and light energy into your life. Okay, and again, time brings, you know, healing. Okay, but look at this again. This trust energy, surrender to trust is here. Okay, now I'm going to leave you with one lasting message. Okay, for the collective who chose power free, and this is for you, for you. Let's have a look and see. I'm gonna pull out these image cards, traveling images cards, but just intuitively, let's see what wants to come out as a uplifting and positive messages for you. For the collective who chose power free, can we have an uplifting and positive message that they need to see? Thank you. Ooh, teeth. So I feel like this could be, with the teeth popping out, I feel like it could be some, again, about you looking after your body, you taking your time to work on yourself, and invest in your own time, invest in your own energy, invest in looking after yourself. Interesting. Let's see what else wants to come out. Felt like something wanted to come out. Look at this. Yes, traveling, trying new things. Traveling, trying new things, exploring. This could be like also like a museum, or it could also be a possible career change, that maybe some of you might be interested in medicine, or interested in learning about the human body. Okay, and as well as maybe teaching as well, about the human body, or having some kind of regulation type of type of work that you may do, or helping others in maybe particular similar positions or things like that. And we have traveling here, so I feel like traveling could be a really something that you could wish to do more of, and explore, try new things, really help you to connect with yourself, taking on new opportunities to try different things, perhaps also meeting new people, new places, learning about new cultures as well. Decorum as well. I feel like, again, that's decorum is very much the hierophant energy. It's about like rules, regulations. I feel like this could be something that you enjoy, that you like, knowing, okay, this is the rules, that's it, that's fine, and I can abide by them. Whereas I feel like with the moon energy that you may have experienced before, it's very wishy-washy. One day it's like hot and cold, and I feel like this is where you're like, yeah, I'm done with that now, and I'm trusting myself, and I'm loving on myself. I'm taking that time to work on me, try new things, explore. Okay. Oh, this is so good. Good energy. Let's embrace this. But to the collective who chose power free, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wow. One.